Hi friends, so I thought I'd do a little bit video about my Ko-fi page. Ko-fi is essentially a virtual tip jar, kind of similar to another platform you might know called Patreon. It allows you to show your support to artists and creators in the form of a donation. It also acts as an extension to my website, a place where I can take commissions and offer things like digital stencils, digital art downloads, and subscriptions. It really allows you to choose your own rewards when you want to support an artist. You can buy me a coffee and support me in a small way with a donation, and you can get exclusive rewards and returns. Here's some of the ways that I'm using it. I'm using it as a shop for my digital stencils. If you've been eyeing the stencils that I use in my videos and in my work, you can find a lot of them in my coffee shop. You can choose what you want, or you can buy a set. You can cut these really easily using a cutting machine like a Silhouette or a Cameo machine, or a Cricut, and I'll link to the video that explains how this works. You can also subscribe. I have monthly subscriptions available where you can get a discount to my fine art shop, print at home digital artworks, physical 5x7 art prints in the mail every month, like a Print of the Month Club, or even original artworks. Although I will specify that these will be works on paper and likely probably about 5x7. Don't worry, this isn't a huge commitment. You can cancel at any time if your financial situation changes or if you just plain change your mind. That's totally cool. Finally, if you don't need the digital stencils and you don't want a subscription, you can also just buy me a coffee and make a small donation, like a one-time thing, just to say, hey, thanks. I appreciate what you're doing. Keep it up. It really would mean a lot. So that's how it works. To those of you who are already supporters of mine, thank you very much. It really, 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 really means a lot. And to the rest of you, you can check out my page right here in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye!